Is clutter taking over your home? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you the top 25 best home organization and decluttering essentials to help you clear the chaos and create a more organized, stress-free space. Whether it's your kitchen, closet, or living room, these smart solutions will make tidying up a breeze. Make sure to subscribe now for more helpful tips, and check out the links in the description to grab your must-have items. Let's dive into transforming your space. The 90-liter large storage bags offer a convenient solution for organizing your home. Made from soft yet durable fabric, they provide ample space for clothing, blankets, pillows, and more. Reinforced handles ensure easy carrying, while the clear front window allows for quick access to stored items. Designed to be foldable, they can be easily stored when not in use. Ideal for closets, underbed storage, or dorm rooms, these storage bags help keep your space neat and clutter-free. The hat rack for wall with shelf offers a stylish and space-saving way to organize your favorite caps. Designed with a rustic wood shelf in a weathered walnut finish, it blends seamlessly with any decor while providing extra storage for small items. Featuring metal bars with removable clips and hooks, it holds a variety of hats, from baseball caps to trucker hats, keeping them neatly displayed and easy to access. Durable and compact, this wall-mounted organizer helps reduce closet clutter and makes a great gift for any hat enthusiast. The W-Live white dresser brings a blend of style and functionality to any space. With 6 fabric drawers, it offers ample storage for clothes, blankets, or everyday essentials while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Designed with a sturdy steel frame and a water-resistant wood top, this dresser ensures durability and stability. The easy pull handles and adjustable feet add convenience, making it perfect for bedrooms, closets, or living rooms. Simple to assemble and versatile in design, it's a great addition to keep your home neat and organized. The Pipichelle 6-shelf hanging closet organizer is a smart way to maximize your closet space. Designed with durable fabric and sturdy MDF panels, it provides 6 spacious shelves and 3 removable drawers for organizing clothes, accessories, and more. Side mesh pockets offer extra storage for smaller items, keeping everything within reach. Easy to hang with strong steel hooks, this foldable organizer is perfect for bedrooms, wardrobes, and nurseries. Whether you're storing sweaters, shoes, or toys, this space-saving solution helps keep your closet tidy and clutter-free. The HomeLux theory. Over-the-door organizer is a space-saving solution for any room. Made from durable, moisture-resistant fabric, it features 6 front pockets in multiple sizes and 12 extra side mesh pockets for smaller essentials. With a sturdy design that holds up to 50 pounds, this organizer keeps everything from baby clothes to toiletries neatly stored. Its reinforced structure prevents tilting, ensuring stability on any standard door. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or nurseries, it helps declutter your space while keeping essentials within easy reach. The Zidodier rotatable belt hanger is a sleek and space-saving closet organizer designed for easy access to belts, scarves, ties, and more. With a rotating feature and 8 hooks, it can hold up to 24 belts or other accessories, keeping everything neatly stored and within reach. Made of durable metal, it supports even heavier items without bending. Its compact design maximizes closet space while ensuring quick visibility of your essentials. A practical and eco-friendly storage solution, this hanger brings order and convenience to your daily routine. The Songmix jewelry box with mirror is a stylish and functional organizer designed to keep your jewelry safe and accessible. With a sleek ink black finish, it features a large mirror, removable earring tray, and various compartments for necklaces, rings, earrings, and bracelets. Made from durable MDF and velvet lining, this jewelry box offers excellent protection from dust and scratches. Its thoughtful design includes hooks for necklaces, stud holes for earrings, and a secure magnetic closure. Perfect for travel or home use, it makes a great gift for any occasion like birthdays or anniversaries. The Delamu 2-tier 2-drawer makeup organizer is the perfect solution for organizing your skincare and beauty essentials. Crafted with sturdy acrylic, it features 2 shelves and 2 drawers, allowing you to neatly store and access your makeup in the proper order, making your routine seamless. The sleek amber color adds a touch of luxury to any bathroom or vanity. Easy to assemble, with no tools required, it's both durable and practical. Plus, it's simple to clean, so your organizer stays looking fresh. A thoughtful and elegant gift for any beauty enthusiast. The Sunmori 6-tier tree bookshelf is a compact, stylish, and practical solution for organizing your space. Its narrow design is perfect for small rooms, corners, or hallways, offering ample storage without taking up too much floor space. The bookshelf features 6 shelves and 2 open storage cabinets, ideal for books, decorations, or other items. Crafted from durable MDF, this bookshelf provides excellent stability and includes anti-tip accessories for added safety. The rustic brown finish and tree-inspired design add a unique touch to your home, making it a versatile addition to any room. Easy to assemble with clear instructions, it's a great choice for any home office, bedroom, or living room. The Bestier Gaming Floating Shelves offer a stylish industrial design with sturdy steel pipe reinforcements. These shelves provide ample space for displaying books, gaming equipment, or even wine bottles. The adjustable glass shelves allow for flexibility, while the wooden panels offer strong support. With built-in LED lighting that features various colors and modes, these shelves add a vibrant ambiance to any room, whether it's a gaming room, living room, or kitchen. The installation process is simple, and the shelves are a great way to organize and elevate your space with ease. The Orapi Clothes Rack blends industrial style with practical storage, featuring a sleek matte black finish. Made from durable cast-iron pipes, it provides reliable support for hanging clothes while maximizing vertical wall space. Its minimalist design adds a modern touch to any room, keeping daily outfits organized and within easy reach. Perfect for bedrooms, laundry rooms, or even boutiques, this wall-mounted rack is both functional and stylish. Easy to install, it offers a space-saving solution for a clutter-free home. The Bagnizer foldable storage bins offer a stylish and practical way to organize your space. Made from durable linen fabric with reinforced sides, these bins maintain their shape while providing ample storage. The flip-top lid keeps contents dust-free, and the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. Featuring sturdy handles for effortless transport, they're perfect for storing clothes, blankets, shoes, and more. Ideal for bedrooms, closets, or offices, these bins blend functionality with a clean, minimalist look. This hanging shoe organizer offers a simple and efficient way to keep your closet tidy. Designed with multiple compartments, it provides ample space for shoes, clothes, and accessories. Made from durable, breathable fabric, it maintains its shape while allowing airflow. The collapsible design saves space when not in use, and the side pockets add extra storage for smaller items. Easy to hang with no assembly required, it's a versatile solution for bedrooms, dorms, and travel. This modern nightstand combines sleek design with smart features for a stylish and functional bedside addition. Equipped with a touch-sensitive LED panel, it offers 3 adjustable lighting modes that activate automatically when you approach. The built-in wireless charging station and USB/Type-C ports provide convenient power access. With multiple drawers and an open storage area, it keeps essentials organized while maintaining a clean, minimalist look. Crafted with a tempered glass top and durable materials, it's both practical and elegant for any bedroom setup. This handcrafted wooden docking station keeps your essentials organized in one place. Designed for convenience, it features dedicated slots for your phone, wallet, watch, keys, and more. Made from solid wood with a smooth, durable finish, it blends seamlessly into any decor. The compact, easy-to-assemble design ensures compatibility with various smartphone models. A perfect gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or special occasions, this stylish organizer comes in an eco-friendly gift box, making it an excellent choice for any man who values both functionality and aesthetics. This multifunctional 5-drawer storage cabinet combines style and practicality, making it a great addition to any home office or living space. With a spacious top for printers or decor, it also features a side cabinet with shelves for extra organization. Crafted from durable, scratch-resistant engineered wood, it ensures long-lasting use. The rolling design with locking casters allows easy mobility and stability. Whether used as a dresser, printer stand, or office organizer, this sleek and versatile piece helps keep your space tidy and efficient. Keep your purses neatly organized and easily accessible with this set of 2 space-saving hangers. Designed to hold up to 12 bags, these sturdy metal organizers prevent your purses from losing their shape. The 360-degree rotating feature allows for effortless selection, while the heavy-duty construction supports even fully loaded bags. Beyond handbags, these versatile hangers are great for scarves, belts, hats, and more, helping you maximize closet space with style and convenience. Amada Home Furnishing Wall Shelves. Set of 6 offer a stylish and functional way to organize and decorate any space. This set includes 6 wooden floating shelves in different sizes, providing a versatile arrangement for the living room, bedroom, or bathroom. Made from durable Polonia wood with powder-coated steel brackets, they combine strength with elegance. Easily mount them in 2 ways, as minimalist floating shelves or with visible brackets for added support. Perfect for displaying books, plants, or decorative pieces while maximizing storage without taking up floor space. Song mics. Drawer Organizer set of 12 helps keep drawers neat and clutter-free. Designed for organizing socks, underwear, bras, ties, and scarves, these foldable fabric storage bins make it easy to find what you need. The set includes different sizes to accommodate various items, ensuring everything has its place. Made with durable, non-woven fabric and reinforced with thick cardboard, they provide sturdy and stylish storage. Ideal for dressers, closets, and office spaces, these organizers offer a practical solution for maintaining order in any home. Moralvi space-saving hangers help maximize closet space while keeping clothes neatly organized. Made from durable European beechwood, these hangers offer a sturdy alternative to plastic options. The patented 360-degree swivel hook allows easy access, while the enclosed hooks securely hold shirts, coats, or accessories. Designed for versatility, they also work for organizing tank tops, purses, or baby clothes. With a sleek, collapsible design, they create a clutter-free, well-arranged closet, making everyday organization effortless. Chenye OI Floating Bedside Shelf is a compact and stylish storage solution for keeping essentials within reach. Perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or RVs, this lightweight wall-mounted organizer holds phones, remotes, glasses, and more. Made from durable plastic, it features a dust-resistant hollow design and 4 bottom hooks for added convenience. Easy to install with strong adhesive tape, it requires no drilling, ensuring a hassle-free setup. ideal for maximizing space while maintaining a neat and organized area. EAGMAC, 3-tier rolling utility cart, is a versatile storage solution for any space. Made from sturdy metal with a rust-resistant finish, it features 3 spacious mesh baskets for airflow and easy cleaning. Smooth rolling wheels, including 2 lockable ones, offer effortless mobility and stability. With a strong frame supporting up to 55 pounds per shelf, it's perfect for kitchens, offices, garages, and more. Easy to assemble with included tools, this cart combines functionality with a sleek modern design. Tidy Ted's stuffed animal hammock is a stylish and practical way to keep plush toys organized. Handcrafted from durable natural cotton, it features a sturdy 4mm macrame cord for long-lasting use. Its spacious design holds up to 50 stuffed animals while freeing up floor space. The boho-inspired tassels, wooden beads, and included LED lights add a cozy touch to any room. Easy to install with a complete kit, this hammock blends functionality with charming decor, making it a perfect addition to any child's space. The Greenstell wooden coat rack combines style and functionality with its freestanding design, 8 sturdy hooks, and a convenient storage shelf. Crafted from durable solid wood, it offers 4 height options, making it suitable for both adults and kids. The spacious tray keeps essentials like keys and phones within reach, while anti-slip feet and an anti-toppling device add extra stability. Ideal for hallways, bedrooms, or offices, this coat rack helps keep spaces neat and organized. Easy to assemble, it's a practical and stylish addition to any home. The Vipec Vi5 portable closet wardrobe is a heavy-duty, freestanding clothing rack designed for maximum storage and durability. With 4 hanging rods and 8 shelves, it provides ample space for organizing clothes, shoes, and accessories. Made of sturdy carbon steel, it supports up to 890 pounds, making it ideal for heavy garments like coats and suits. Its adjustable design allows for customized storage, while its sleek black finish complements any space. Perfect for bedrooms, walk-in closets, or laundry rooms, this closet rack is easy to assemble and built to last.